We are often asked, what does it mean when I'm told that I have a heart murmur? And a murmur is simply the noise that blood makes as it goes through the heart. And it can be due to anything from a simple, innocent flow murmur to a more serious heart valve problem that could require open heart surgery to correct. It's important to know that a murmur in and of itself is not a diagnosis. It's simply a physical finding that we note when we listen to someone with a stethoscope there. That innocent flow murmur that I mentioned previously is very common in children or young adults. There's a small tunnel that leaves the heart called the left ventricular outflow tract, and blood flow can become turbulent in that little tunnel, and that can sort of make that innocent benign flow murmur that I kind of mentioned there earlier. This is often the murmur that people refer to when they said, I've had a murmur since I was a child, or I was diagnosed with a murmur as a child. Murmurs as an adult are most often due to aortic stenosis, which is a narrowing of the main outflow valve of the heart there. And that's the easiest murmur to hear, and that's why most of the murmurs that you do hear adults are aortic stenosis murmurs. But murmurs can also be due to other different problems, such as a hole in the heart, or mitral valve prolapse, or a leaky heart valve. The way we diagnose murmurs is an echocardiogram, which is a simple ultrasound test that's done in the office that allows us to see the heart without any kind of invasive procedures or needles or anything like that. And that's really where the fun starts. That's where we get to diagnose the problem, and that's where we can come up with ways to fix things or make things better for people.